Today we're making Alfredo pasta. Guys, I'm gonna say this is not Italian Alfredo version, but we're making it the other way, which is the American version. This was highly requested and I'm doing that today. So let's get into it. So first I use pappardelle pasta. So I use this pasta, which is pappardelle. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Pappardelle pasta. And we have our Parmigiano cheese. Yes, Parmesan cheese. Our cream, heavy cream. For the herbs, I'll be using oregano, basil, and persil, black pepper. And I will be using bouillon. I love to have, of course, my Italian mixed herbs, which is combination of all of these spice, all of these herbs, but I love this, just in case I'm missing something. These are all the things. Oh, let's not forget, I do not use butter, I use olive oil, always. I use my Emmental cheese. I use the cheese because it gives it a bit of sweetness, and of course, I like it cheesy and sweet, so I use Emmental cheese. So that's what we're gonna be using today. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. I use tiny bit of flour just to give it that thickness. I also use the water from your pasta, but I just use flour in the beginning. You don't really need this, but I use it. You smell it. Looks so good. It's just cheesy. Here you go. Okay. That's good. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's good. With cauliflower. It's on another level. It tastes really good. So I hope you guys love the recipe, and that's how I make my Alfredo pasta. Thank you so much for joining. Until next time, you stay safe and I will see you soon. Bye.